Okay, so I wasn't gonna start recording until I actually got to Pott's Mountain. That's where I'm heading right now. But coming over this mountain range right now, I just went up the mountain and I'm coming back down. I'm going into Craig County, and it just looks so cool. I just wanted to capture it. So I was gonna try to do like an intro at the trailhead, but this looked too cool to not capture. All right, so I'm heading to Potts Mountain Jeep Trail, which don't let the name fool you. It's really not that hard. It's pretty tame. There's a few little offshoots that might be a little more hardcore that I'll probably wait until I have somebody with me to ride on. But just on the main trail, it's, you know, pretty lame. But yeah, it's pretty fun. All right, so heading down these little twisties. Got the new budget riding gear on, which I'm really happy with. New seat's doing awesome. Normally I'd be sore by the time I got here. I've been riding for about 40 minutes or so to get here. And normally I would be a little sore, but the new seats are working awesome. All right, so here we go. Hopefully there's no traffic coming. Yeah, these little twisties are pretty fun. And I've already seen a few trails off of this road that I haven't been to yet. So I definitely want to look those up. I have been on Potts. With this bike, no, not on this bike maybe. On my KLX, I know I did. And I'm a BMW F650 GS Dakar. That was the first bike I took on it. Well, I just had like a weird, it felt like I was sliding. That's really weird. Maybe those little gravels. Yeah, it's a lot of little gravel. Like really fine. You can't really see it. Yeah, that was kind of weird. You don't want to feel like you're sliding when you're on the pavement. That just doesn't feel right. So the riding gear is holding up. I'm staying fairly warm. I kind of wish I had thermals on under here. Just because it is still a little cold. But I'm not wearing anything. I hate going through the trees where the sun's like putting stripes of the tree shadows on the ground. Messing with my eyes. If I look down, I feel like I'm getting dizzy or something. It's really weird. So I gotta kind of look more ahead and not look at the actual shadows. Creep me out, but then it's like you can't stop looking at them. Patterson Creek, I don't see. There's a lot of places back here I need to explore. I can't wait, man, for this summer. Oh yeah, it's warmer. And do some moto camping up here. There's so many little trails. Now that I have all my gear, good to go. I thought about coming up here moto camping this weekend, but still a little too cold. I don't like pushing it that cold at night. It's just, it makes falling asleep miserable. Like once you're out, you're out. But just going to sleep, you're just sitting there thinking how cold it is. And you have nowhere to go. So yeah, like right now my toes are getting a little cold. And I think it's in the 40s today. But I did bring my heated gloves in case I need them on the way back. But I didn't bring anything else, to keep warm. Camp Easter Seals, what the? I have no idea what some of this stuff is. we're gonna be going up and crossing these mountains. I don't know which one, but yeah, coming up that way. Ooh, this wind is cold. Next weekend is supposed to be in the 60s, maybe even 70s. Oh, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. I got my GPS going through my headset, so I don't know if that came through. The Garmin Zumo. And see, this built helmet has Cena, whatever, built in little headset. Works pretty good. I like it for playing music when I'm in a mood. Yeah, now I'm getting a little chilly. So I probably should have wore something under this gear. I mean, I'll warm up once I get riding, but I'm feeling a little chilly, but not like cold, but like I probably should have worn, you know, thermals or at least a long sleeve shirt. See, there's that gravel again. It's like really fun gravel. I don't like that. We're on Craig Creek Road. So we're in Craig County. Yeah, I think I am going to stop at the trailhead and try to warm up for a minute. I mean, I'll be a lot warmer going slower off-road, standing up and getting more of a workout. So that's Mill Creek Road. There's so many of these little roads. I've heard of Mill Creek. I probably took my truck up there when I was back in high school. I used to go all over these places. It doesn't help that I'm doing like 50, 46. That makes it a little chillier. I'm telling you, I need that bubble. When are they going to invent a bubble? Bubble for the bike. It's so nice and toasty. Dry when it's raining. So yeah, this is all Jefferson National Forest around here. Like all these, where these trails are. It's taking me forever to get here. So I'm gonna be coming out probably, I think it's down near 311, kind of near my aunt's house. Fenwick Mons. Yeah, I gotta take a note of these trails I'm passing. Well, once I started recording, I passed a bunch before I even turned the camera on. And I'm pretty sure I probably don't have, well, I know I won't have cell signal on Pott's Mountain. I know that for sure. Yeah, I should have planned this a little better. Brought an extra layer of clothes. That's alright. Get off, do some push-ups, jumping jacks. Old school, man. I did bring some water and some snacks, some Atkins bars. So hopefully that'll be enough. And the creek is wicked with that rock. I wish there was a place to stop, because that just looks cool. Chaos Farm. That's a cool name. I just love these little back roads. I cannot wait to just, I want to go like on a multi-day camp ride, you know, hit a few trails for a few days in a row at least, and see how that goes. But I'll have to figure out the water stuff, maybe bring a filtration system. And for food, I shouldn't be too bad. Just having like I mean, I'm not picky at camping or any time with food, so I could just bring a whole bunch of Atkins bars and stuff like that. I don't remember being so far away. Yeah, this new seat is a lot more comfortable, especially in these little back bumpy roads. My tailbone is happy. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and kill the camera so I don't just waste time filming.